the challenges I was having selling my house was my mom couldn't afford the taxes. She got behind on the taxes, and she gave me the house to ask me if I can help her out, and none of us kids could afford to pay anything. So my best bet was to sell the house, build an addition on my home, and then move my mother in with me because of her health problems and her financial problems. So the plan was, when I got the house from my mom, that I would either fix it up, put her back in it, maybe rent it out, anything like that. But the amount of damage to the home, and from her not being there for so long and the bills being shut off, there was rodent damage and so much damage to where if I put all my money into that house, then I wouldn't have been able to pay my bills and everything I needed to pay here. I had a few people coming out, looked at the house and gave me certain numbers, and it just didn't seem right to me. I got a flyer from Grayscale, so I gave him a call. He came out, gave me the best price. A very knowledgeable kid, and he was very nice and answered all my questions, and that's the reason for going for them. So the reason why I chose Grayscale was because he was obviously the best price that available out of 5 or 6 different people had come out there looking at the house. He was very knowledgeable. He told me what it was going to cost him to fix the house up, and going over a lot of numbers with me. Any questions I had, he answered them quickly and swiftly. And when I was not understanding something or not quite knowing what was going on, I texted him, asked him any question. He was quick to respond to me. He was quick to give me the answers, and I even looked stuff up and stuff that he was telling me, and it was the right thing, and very nice guy. So that's why I went with him. How Grayscale solved my problem. The main thing was making sure my mom had a place to live. She couldn't live in that house anymore, and with the money I'm able to put the addition on my home and get my mom with me. Right now she's with my sister, and once I get everything taken care of, then she can move in with me. And main thing was just making sure she has a place to live. She's okay. What stood out the most for me was that Grayscale worked with me and made sure that I was able to get what was my mom's out of the house, and gave me time to get it cleaned up for him and get all her valuables out of there, and making sure she got everything she could, everything that was sentimental to her and everything that I can save. He made sure that I was able to get it out, and gave me plenty of time to take care of it. And even after closing and I got the money for the house, he still gave me another week to take care of the house and get everything out of the house, and to have the funds able to do that. And just very nice guy. And it hurt to sell the house. I wanted to fix it up for her, but the financial burden was too much. And the main thing is to have my mom a place to live and make sure she's okay. And the house is really second option, and her coming with me I'll be able to take care of her and watch over her and make sure she's okay. I would definitely recommend Grayscale to other people if you're trying to sell your home and you don't know exactly what's going on and it's something that you're not familiar with. He'll answer all your questions, anything you need to know. For me, he gave me the best price. Sure, with anybody, you would want to do your due diligence and get second opinions and stuff like that. For me, he was the best option, best price, and very knowledgeable kid. And he understands, the financial burdens that a house can put on somebody. And not too many people know and care about that. They just want to sell. And he was really in tune with what was going on with me, why I needed the money, even giving me context to talk to people about the addition getting built on my home, so my mom has a place and a room for her. He was just very nice, and he took care of everything I needed to take care of and gave me the time I needed, and didn't really care that I was there later than I was supposed to. He just made sure I was taken care of first, and then once I was taken care of, then he took care of it the way he needed to. He didn't rush me. I think going with Grayscale, you'll have the best experience for sure.